Back in the day, I used to be a football player, so I was burning a lot of calories running around all the time. Therefore, I had to eat like a horse. And that was never a problem for me because I naturally have huge appetite and I don't have a problem with eating a lot of food. And I never had problems with gaining weight because I said already I was very physically active. That was until I got tested positive for COVID. And I had to lay in my bed for some time, but I kept eating a lot and I wasn't eating good food. I was eating snacks and chips and a lot of sugar and fast food basically. Just from that little period of time while I was recovering from COVID, I gained extra 10 kilograms, which is a lot. I didn't even notice it that much on myself until I came back to school and to football, and my teammates, my coach, my classmates, they all noticed and they all started criticizing me and making fun of me for being fat now. So after this I had two choices. I could cry about it and be sad and frustrated about it, or I can take this into my hands and start hitting the gym. I chose the second option and started grinding to better myself. And coincidence or not, at that same time when I was just starting to lose that weight, I found a self-improvement channel called Hamza. With that desire to improve myself because I was sick of being fat, paired with Hamza's influence, I had officially started my self-improvement. Meanwhile, while losing weight, I also started working on gaining muscle. I also started working on my mental health. And after all of that, fast forward to this day right now, and I'm in the best shape of my life, both physically and mentally. And I'm genuinely not sure if I would be at the same point today if I never got fat. So what is the point of this video? Am I telling you just get fat, bro, so you can fix it? No, I'm not trying to say that. However, if you are in a position that I used to be in, where you got some weight or there is any kind of insecurity that you have, it is important to not cry about it and feel bad about yourself, but you need to take things into your own hands and fix it. So use the pain, and I know there will be pain, I understand that, but use the pain as motivation, and you need to trust the process, because I know that it can get difficult. After I started working out, I would look myself into the mirror shirtless and I would see that yeah, there's a little bit of progress, but I'm still kind of fat and this is going so slow, and I would feel poor. I felt awful. I wanted to quit because it was so frustrating, but then again, if I quit, then I will look even worse and it will be even more frustrating. So I didn't know what I want, I didn't know what to do, but thankfully I just trusted the process and I just kept going, and that's what you need to do too. Trust me that you will improve, it will change, it will get better if you just stick with it and you just keep going even though you don't see much results right now. That's all I had to say for this video. I hope this helped you. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, there is a lot of my channel. If you want to watch one right away, you can watch this one right here. If you're liking my content, you're free to subscribe. That will help you a lot and that will also help me a little bit, so it's a win-win situation for both of us. That's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.